Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Amazon. If you have an Amazon gift card and want to add it to your account, here's how it's done. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, click on Sign In at the top and log into your Amazon account. After signing in, click on your name or account icon, then scroll down and click on See All under the Your Account section. From there, scroll down again and select Manage Gift Card Balance. On the next page, click Redeem Another Gift Card. You'll now have the option to either scan your gift card or manually enter the claim code in the provided field. Once you've entered the code, click Apply to your balance and the gift card amount will be added to your Amazon account. You can now use the balance for future purchases. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.